All right, everyone, welcome back to another episode. I hope you all have an amazing day. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Today, we're going to be working on the Hondas. We're going to be scuffing up some paint, and then we're going to be taking out the Yamaha, doing some work with that, I'm hoping. Not 100% sure what we're going to be doing all around today, but the goal is to get some scuffing done and possibly doing some painting. Not fully sure. I don't have primer. I don't really know if it's necessary. The paint I have is meant to be painted directly to bare metal or to rust, and so I was thinking we'd just paint it and then clear coat over top of it, right? Make it better than the Yamaha. The paint did really well, except for the fact that there's no clear coat, right? So it rubs through quite easily, but it's not flaking off or anything. I don't think we need any primer. So that's what we're going to be doing. I hope you all enjoy, and we'll get straight into the time lapse. Alrighty, everyone, welcome back. Now, check this out. We were able to make some progress here. We got it all sanded down, both frames. We got it taped off there on the sticker, and we're ready to start painting. I was hoping to be able to hang them up, but it's just too heavy to hang up. None of the branches around here are strong enough to hold it up, so we're just going to do this, and we'll flip them upside down when it's time to paint the bottom side. Not the end of the world. Went over all of it with the 80 grit sandpaper, scuffing up the original coating and also scuffing up and getting down to through the rust, making sure there's no more flaky rust anywhere. And I think we're ready now. I've got it taped off. I think we're just about ready. I'll set you all up for a quick time lapse. Hopefully you're all enjoying this process so far. I don't know how this is going to turn out, right? This is only my first time painting a frame, but hopefully it goes well. Hopefully you're all enjoying, and we'll take you along. Check this out. So we've got the first few layers of paint on here now. Just went quickly around everywhere, just trying to make sure everything's quickly coated. There's just a couple little spots like in there, and I'm not going to do any more for the time being, right? We've done enough. We're going to let it dry, and then we're going to come back and do some more coats afterwards. So we'll probably give it, I probably did a bit too much. I'm still learning. I feel like I did a bit too much. So instead of only waiting 15 minutes, I'm going to give it a good hour or so to dry before I do any more. If there's not enough sun, we'll just come back out tomorrow. It's supposed to be sunny both days, right? So we're going to have a good weekend. We're going to get all this done. Hopefully you're enjoying so far, and we'll be right back, everyone. All right, everyone, we're back. Now, for the next step in this video, we got the frames still drying. It's been about 20 minutes now. They're doing well. They're dry, but I want to give it a bit more time just to be safe. And we got the red rims here. We've also got the other rims in the shed. The goal here right now is to start sanding them down with the 80 grit sandpaper. And I'm not sure if we're going to be repainting them red. It does look pretty awesome when they're on and they're paint matched red, but I don't know if that's a factory option, right? And the idea is to restore them. So I'm most likely just going to go with the aluminum paint. I've asked the people online. I made a post in the Honda Hoarders, and hopefully one of them will let me know if it's a factory paint job or not. I'm assuming it's aftermarket, right? I assume one of the previous owners did it themselves, which, if that's the case, right, well, it doesn't really matter. We'll just be getting rid of it and putting it back to aluminum. I've got the aluminum paint inside ready to go. We did it to the Yamaha rims, and I'm very happy with how it came out. A little power mode. There you go. So this is what it turns out to be, right? Absolutely beautiful. I'm very happy with it. Hubs and everything. So, and we also did the front forks. But as I mentioned earlier, see how it's come off here? Same things happened up here. I didn't put any clear coat on this. This is just the paint itself. The fact that it's only scuffed up in a few areas is honestly amazing. I thought it'd be worse. So I'm very happy. I'm basically, after the Hondas are done, we'll redo this as well with the Kawasaki and do the clear coat. I didn't know if it would be 100% necessary or not, but clearly it is, right? So for the Hondas, we're going to be doing the clear coat, but it's sticking, right? It's not flaking off. It's not doing anything wrong without primer. It's sticking really well. I love this. Very good paint. Definitely recommend it. It's I'll take you over here real quick. Like I said, the frames are coming along nicely. Very nice. This rust check. This paint is absolutely amazing. Right? Superior rust protection, outstanding gloss, durable finish. For clean and rusted metal, no primer required. Absolutely amazing paint. I've used, like I said, I used it for the Yamaha, worked great. We're going to be using it for the Hondas, but with a clear coat to take it a step further because, like I said, tested it on the Yamaha, and the clear coat's definitely necessary. So we'll be doing it to the freaking rims for the Hondas. Let's get into that. Hopefully you're all enjoying, and we'll be right back, everyone. Oh, these rims are 250R rims, I found out. We're not repainting these. These are going to be left just the way they are. And they're going to be our fun rims. Whenever we want to drift, we're going to put these on and have some fun with 250R wheels. And we're going to be changing out, for now, this is just the tires we have, little to no tread left. And once the tread is done, we'll put on proper 250R size tires that are smaller. And then hopefully at some point, my goal is to try and find a different, a chain drive model, right? Apparently with the chain drive models, you can change out the sprocket and the tire size and then adjust the clutch and have more tire speed, right? So that we can do some more drifting on the road. I think that'd be a lot of fun. Let me know down in the comments if you think we should do that for a next project once we sell the Honda. I'm not sure if we're going to sell both or just one of them. I'm on the fence about it. I might just sell both of them because we can always just do it again, right? So we'll see what happens, right? Yeah, we'll be right back, everyone. Thank you. Alrighty, everyone, check this out. So we've been able to make some progress here. Got the wheels sanded down, all scuffed up on all sides, on both sides here for both of the red rims. Still not sure if we're going to repaint them red or aluminum, but hey, that's all right. We got these ones done, and we'll make some more progress with the others. But now it's time. It's been an hour. So it's time to set you all up for another time lapse of painting. We'll do the secondary coat here, and we'll show you what it's like after we're done the second coat. And, well, we got a lot more to do. Alrighty, everyone. So we got the second coat done. We've used almost another second can here. We've been, about half a can per coat per trike here per frame. It's not. This is again. I think I'm using a bit too much per coat, right? But it is a lot to cover. I'm trying to make sure I get all sides, all edges, all little bits and pieces and flanges, and we're doing good. It's coming along well. Very happy with it so far. Hopefully you're enjoying the progress we've made. Holy, look at this. From a rusty frame to a now repainted frame. It is a bit crusty right there, but I'm not really too worried about that. It's just the I think there was a bit of dirt in that spot I missed. Look at that, a bit of dirt. So I'm just gonna quickly scrape that out of there and then put a new little bit of paint there. But everything else, everything, I'm so happy with it. I'm so happy with it. Look at that. All the little pieces in here, right? I'm trying to make sure every last little bit is not missed, right? Even right up inside of there. I put it upside down and sprayed up inside of there on each one. And this one I got to do again, but I have done it once now, while the other ones I've already done a couple times. It's just I missed that one on the first run, so it's only been done once on the second run around. But yeah, it's coming along. Hopefully you're all enjoying, and we'll pick this back up. And it's going to be another hour or so before I can do another coat. I'm pretty sure we're going to have enough time to do it today, but yeah. Hopefully you're all enjoying. Oh my. Stay tuned and we'll be right back, everyone. This is going to be the end. I hope you all enjoyed. We got all 6 wheels sanded down, scuffed up, all the clear coats off, ready to be repainted with the new aluminum paint. And we got the couple coats of paint done on the frames, and so it's coming along very nicely. I've got the bit of dirt off and repainted the little area. I did miss a little tiny bit when I was repainting it afterwards. As you see, there's a bit of discoloration. You can see the rust just a bit. Still have to cover that, but that's all right. Also, I sprayed in there, but I noticed I missed, right up here, I missed this little spot, so I really want to get up in there next time, tomorrow. It's too late. The sun it's not setting, it's just starting to set, right? So it's starting to get a bit chilly out. I don't want to be painting in the cold. It's already dried, so it's just curing overnight. And yeah, tomorrow we'll come back to it. We'll do some more coats of paint, and that way it also, I know I feel like I'm doing it a bit too thick. Tomorrow when we come back, I'm trying not to do too thick of a coat at once, right? And it is drying in 15 minutes, so maybe I'm not doing it too thick at a time, but I don't know, right? It's just not perfect, right? I'm still learning how to get it so that you get a perfect spray. There's times where it works really well, and there's other times where I get too impatient and start rushing it, right? But very happy with it. That's going to be it for this video. Hopefully you all enjoyed. If you did, stay tuned and be sure to tune in for the next episode where we continue on with the painting of the rims and the frames. And I also got the racks sorted out here, so they're ready to go. We're going to be sanding them down as well in tomorrow's video. Now, I'm not sure if they're going to get painted. I'm pretty sure I'm out of black paint after painting the frames. I didn't plan on painting both frames completely, especially not to this degree, but it's just, I have to, right? It's got to be done properly. I don't know which frame I'm going to be using to sell or to keep, or if I'm selling both of them. So I want them both to be absolutely perfect. It's not about me keeping it at this point, right? So it's going to cost a little bit more money, but at the end of the day, it'll be worth it. Hopefully you all enjoyed, and stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next episode, everyone. Peace out.